Before we do anything, let's first disconnect the battery. We don't want any battery power present while we spray the engine. First, we're going to be spraying everything down in a foamy degreasing formula, then we'll rinse it off with a pressure washer. Washing the engine sounds easy and simple and harmless, and it is, but you do have to use common sense. The engine bay is full of electronics that could possibly short out, so we have to be careful about this. This isn't a lawnmower. Modern engines are controlled by very advanced electronic systems. Stay away from the sensors and the electronic components like the alternator and the starter, and you should be fine. The power washing phase should be done at the lowest settings for the least chance of doing any damage. Have a general knowledge of where the sensors are and avoid spraying close up at these locations. Fan the spray out as much as possible over a wide area and rinse away the soap. That's it. Okay, that's all there is to cleaning the engine bay in your car. If you're worried about shorting anything out, let your engine dry for a couple hours before reconnecting the battery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.